Hi everybody, my name is Dino Ivanković. I'm the head of business development here at Revuto. So today we're going to cover a topic on how to build a great project. We're going to use a simple construction building terminology to explain how do we do it in Revuto style. So every building, every construction site needs what? Great foundations, right? So we have founders, Vex, Jos and Rux. We're going to explain a little bit more about them. As you already know, Vedran, he is the star of a lot of our AMAs. But do you know about his background, where he started at back in Silicon Valley in California, and where he met other co-founders as well. He is a startup veteran, also enthusiast of blockchain for many years now, but also a great charismatic person with a lot of experience. So he met Josipa. She's also a startup veteran. But also, not only that, she is the public speaker. That you can see her on BBC News and Chicago News, and also with former President Obama as well. So they met Rux, or Marko Rukonic. You may not know him as well, but he's from Silicon Valley and he has experience of over 20 years in IT sector, and most notably, he has 27 patents to his name. In personal finance and credit card processing. So you don't hear that every day, I believe. So let's start by illustrating the foundations for our house that we are building here in Revuto. With great foundation, you can build a great structure, and we feel that founders are the right way to go. So one day, the founders gathered around. They decided to make a core product. They think very truly, and we believe the product is well built from the ground up. What is the core product? As you may know, that the core product in Revuto is an active subscription management system that allows you for easier subscription management tracking, that saves you money, saves you time, and it's applicable for literally everyone. Why? Because the subscription industry is growing 100% yearly, so everybody can be a user. And with this product, we are combining fintech and blockchain in itself. So one product that combines both, best of both worlds, and brings that synergy into place. And we have Rux, that's the mastermind behind all of this, as I explained, with his 27 patents. How do we do it? We provide the virtual debit cards that you can top up with, let's say, Revuto or fiat money, and then pay for your subscriptions like Netflix, from Netflix to a local gym. You can find more explanations in our other videos. I'm gonna run through as simple as possible. So when you do that, we decide to present it to broader audience, and most users actually use mobile phones. So we decided to put it within an app, so everybody can download it now on Huawei Store, iOS Store, on Play Store, on Android. So we decided to build in within the app the wallet. So as for now, the non-custodial wallet is an active wallet where users can store their Revu tokens, and we are currently working on custodial wallet at the same time, which will bring even more features along the way. But the wallet itself and the app itself is always upgrading, and in the meantime, users can make benefits from the staking center. In the staking center, people can earn ADA, Revu, or other CNTs while they wait for the custodial wallet as well, and they earn their rewards. So these two are the first two columns in our building. The third column in our building, to get more structured, is liquidity. We provide liquidity through CEX, CEX, and DEX. We try to get the best of the best as we can. We partnered with KuCoin, as you know, the top tier 1 exchanges, so it's number 5, I believe. The thing is that KuCoin does not list some projects that are not listed anywhere, so they've heard about our project, they've seen it, and they say, okay, let's do it. So it's an example of well-managed and well-structured product getting listed on the top tier 1 exchange. And also you can find us on Common, Cardano, DEXs, all around. So that is the third column. that is supporting our structure. So you can see we are building along the way. So the next column, the fourth column, is the R Fund. R Fund is, I believe, we presented it back in World Blockchain Summit in Dubai 2021. The R Fund is the $2 million fund that Revuto is providing for the best projects we can find, not only financial support, but also support in our expertise. We use our art scouts to search and explore all the Cardano ecosystem and more to find the best projects that deserve to be on our next column, number 4. So what comes after that? The column number 5, that is NFTs. As you know, our NFTs are not just a pretty face, pretty pictures, but our NFTs has brains, or as we call it, utility. With the utility, members will get even more benefits using our app and exploring our core product. In the meantime, they will be able to trade it on the marketplace. You can find more about NFTs and their utilities on our Medium blog post, so we can continue forward with the number 5 column. So the 6th and final column here is DEX, recently announced, and you can find more in the news and blog posts that we'll post along the way as we build it. It's going to be available roughly in 4 weeks, and we're going to start using smart contracts through it. The interesting part is it's the first mobile DEX on Cardano. So first is something that we use regularly here in Revuto, and we believe you liked that. Now we have built, I believe, our house. The columns are all fixed. You can find more about DEXs in the future, but let's continue on how to make this structure even better. Well, we have to start thinking about the roof, what that connects the foundation, the columns, and the base of the roof. As I call it, it's the support. Support team is providing the extra value for our members and our team members of Revuto. They recently announced the chat box where you can chat personally live with admin that will probably answer you as soon as possible. And you guys have a lot of questions at every time of the day. If they're not available, you can also check our community managers. Somebody is always awake and listening to your questions and trying to answer them as soon as possible. So we are trying to build a structure that is connecting everything up, which means we are building a community. That's kind of a roof system we have here. And we are building our social media as well. So 3-point structure, community and support with social media. But not only that, our community, I would say not everybody understands English, but everybody understands Revuto. Why is that? Because with our international admins, they provide support in their native language. So people can learn about Revuto worldwide without even knowing a word of English. So that is how we build things in Revuto. So you can see we have built a house here with strong foundations, with many columns to support it, and with a roof that can withstand all its blasts for many years to come. So what is missing here? We are missing maybe something like a sun or some green grass and a cute chimney. What do we call that? We call that marketing. People usually ask us about our marketing strategy. And we are at Revuto, we believe that marketing should come after a great project. So when you have a great project, it's easy to market it out. And our main focus is the project itself, to build it with structure, with foundations, great structure, and a great roof to support it. And that is how you build a great project. Thank you.